Okay, so I've just done an example of a window. I'm going to have a look at a door, very similar concept. We're going to do a sliding door here. So let's just go, let's have a look. Maybe I'll show you a picture of, maybe we'll do this one here. Okay. Alright, so let's go rectangle. Again, I'm going to use my cursor to lock in the green work plane, and then I'm going to put in my dimensions. So, 2,300, comma, to the very top to bottom is 2,440. Alright, just making sure I got my orientation correct. Yep. So next we have a small frame that goes inside of that, and it has actually given me the dimension for that. So we're going to do an offset. Well, first of all, actually we'll do the thickness, and again I'll just go 150, and the offset, if I go up to my offset tool, is 40 mil. Okay, so 40 mil, and then what we'll do is push pull and take that through. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is triple click on it and make a group. Alright, so the next element I want to draw is one of the sliding door frames. Okay, so that is grouped. Now I'm going to go for this first frame, a rectangle over here, and I want to drive it to be a certain distance. And I'm going to go 25 mil beyond halfway. So I've done a quick calculation based on my drawing, and that is 1,135. Alright, now I'm going to get my offset tool and go 50. Alright, now I'm going to go push pull, and I want to go half the distance back 75. Okay, and for now I'm just going to delete that pane. Now I'm going to go on the other side here and just repeat that process. Now what I might do is triple click on that and make group first, and then this time again I want to drive it to be that 1,135, and so it's slightly overlapping on that frame halfway through. And then I'm going to go my offset tool, 50, and then that frame pushing 75 that way, and then I'm going to delete that. Again, 1, 2, 3, triple click, make group, and then I'm just going to get my glass and put in a rectangle. Push pull that way, 10 mil, make group, rectangle, push pull that way, 10 mil, okay, make group, triple click. Alright, so now I might put it all in a group, and oops, I'll select it now, and we'll add a tag. Sliding door 1, and I will tag that. Okay, now one other thing I hadn't done to it is, I need to get into the groups for this, is glass. almost save my progress. And we've quickly got our door modelled up. Now, I sort of touched on it before, but when you do go to the warehouse and you're searching, not only can you lose time in doing that, but you often make compromises as to what you get. You get something that's close enough, near enough, but if we want to get something accurate that reflects the design, then creating it itself could be the option.